Hey, it's Regina from Eat Travel Life, and today we are going to make cranberry orange muffins. I have a cranberry relish dish that I make, and I use any extras from that, and we'll make muffins from it. So let's go ahead and let me tell you all about it. Here are the ingredients that you're going to need. So you're going to want to start with a cup of cranberries and a seedless orange, and we're going to make sure everything is washed and pick out any of the bad cranberries that are squishy, and we are going to run those through the food processor, and we're going to also then add in a cup of sugar. Once you've got that done, you will have something like this. If you do not have that, what you can instead do is take a cup of cranberries and a seedless orange again and run them through the food processor, and they will look something like that. You can then take some orange extract, about a half a teaspoon if you got it, and mix that into here, and you can let that set. And then we will add in another bowl, we will add in our flour, sugar. Well, we've already added in our sugar. So we will add in our dry ingredients, the flour, the baking powder, and the salt. And add in to a larger bowl, like I just did, because I already had the relish made. To this, we are going to add in an egg. Let's fish out that shell because I'm not the best at cutting up eggs. So let's go ahead and add that into our mix. And then we will add in our softened butter. And this is also when you will add in your sugar if you are creating your relish. My sugar is already in my relish, so I am not going to add that in. Go ahead and mix this in slightly. So I'm going to break it up into smaller pieces. We'll be adding in our flour shortly. To this, we are going to add in a cup of sour cream. Set that to the side. If you don't have sour cream and you have plain yogurt or vanilla yogurt, you can add that in too. We want these to be moist and not dry as a bone. That is looking perfect. So let's go ahead and add in our dry ingredients that we already mixed together. I'm going to add in a little at a time here so I can see how things are coming together. Let me know in the comments, have you made cranberry muffins before, and do you use chopped ones or do you use whole? See how that's just beautifully coming together. That looks amazing. And let's go ahead and add in the rest of this flour. Ooh, making a mess. Wouldn't be baking with me if it wasn't making a mess. You go ahead and switch to the spatula. Gotta get it all incorporated. If you haven't already, you can get your muffin pan. You can put liners in there, and if you're not going to use liners, you can then use just spray a little bit of nonstick spray. I like the baking kind, so it'll keep it from getting connected. So let me go ahead and finish mixing this up, and I'll be ready to put into the tray. This is what the dough looks like. Let's go ahead and get the muffin tin in here, and I will try to fill them up to about the top here and see how far this goes. Depending if I'm light-handed or heavy-handed with the flour, determines how many we get sometimes. We're going for 12. This is what the dough should look like. It looked a little dry before, so what I did was added some more orange juice to it, so it's more of a wet consistency. The consistency we had before was more like a drop biscuit, and that is going to be an unpleasant muffin. So I added 1 to 2 tablespoons of orange juice. So if you run into that problem, that's all you need to do. So let's go ahead and put these muffins into the tray. That's much better. I don't need anyone telling me they ate a rock. I was questioning it. I've made these before, but they must have been heavy-handed with the flour, huh? All right. So keep filling these, and I'll be back. And there they are. And we will put them in the oven now and bake for them for 30 minutes, and they'll be done. And here they are done after 30 minutes. You can see that I did put casting sugar on. I forgot to mention that, and I had to pull them out and do that. If you forget completely, you can just scatter it on after they've baked quickly while they're still hot, so it'll hopefully stick. And there you have it. Delicious cranberry orange muffins. Not too sweet, but perfect. All that orange and cranberry all throughout. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what your favorite kind of muffin is that you make. Have a great day.